Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial which will save you a lot of time. You can go from a boring image like this one to an amazing image within 2 clicks. And I will show you how. So the first thing you do is you go to Edit, you press Sky Replacement. You press it, there is a new sky, and you don't have to do anything for it. You don't have to change everything. The only thing you have to do is pick a sky. So there's blue skies that come with the normal feature. There's spectacular skies, like a red one, which I kind of like. There are different ones. It's super easy, it just changes it. And the thing that it does, it makes masks on top of your image. So you can play with it. You can go fade the edges, so it blends more into your landscape, or you can shift the edge. I mean, that looks pretty good from the start already. I mean, you can see that there is a little bit of blue here. You can change that with the foreground adjustments later, the lighting. You can do a lot with it. So the masks are all editable. And that's it. You press OK, and what you get is you get these masks, which you can go into if you press Alt on your keyboard and you click on them. You see that all these black parts are parts of your foreground, and the white is what blends in. So you can change that by painting on it with white or with black, depending on which parts you want to be in the image and which parts you don't want to be. As you can see, everything is now here. But you see, you can make it darker or lighter, whatever you want. I have another example, which is this one. And it's pretty boring because it's only a white sky. And I want to make it more interesting with an orange or reddish sky. So what you do again, you go to Edit, press Sky Replacement, and that's it. I'm gonna pick the one that I like, which is this one. You can see here that there are edges around your image, which Photoshop hasn't done very well. So you can fade those. And the thing about this image in particular is that it leaves some kind of reflection on the stones if you shift the edge. It's super cool. So I mean, I don't have to do many things about this anymore. And I've changed before and after. I mean, how amazing is that? So if you don't like the red sky, you can, another example is a blue sky. Go to Edit again, Sky Replacement. It's gonna pick the last one that I did. So it's a red one, but that's no problem. So I'm just gonna pick a blue one. Because as you can see here in the red one, you can see that the background here, that Photoshop didn't really take it away nicely. Of course, you can change that with fading edges and color adjustments and everything. You can do that, but I just, for the sake of this example, I'm just going to go with the blue one. I mean, this could very well be the picture that I took. Before, after. As you can see that there's a little bit of white here that goes away from the flags. You can go into the mask and paint those more dark if you want. You can do everything that you want. Select the inverse and paint them a little bit more darker. Go to it, and there you go. That's it. There's not much more to it. I cannot tell you more about it, and it only takes 2 seconds and it saves you a lot of time. So if it did save you a lot of time, please like my video because that helps me out a lot. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.